Welcome guys on my YouTube channel. This is the tutorial about how we can do the user management in Linux server Linux 7, okay, RHEL 7. So here we will learn the all user management details in okay. So all settings, how we add, create user, okay, how to create a user, how to delete a user, how multiple users can we create, how we delete them, how to provide permission to them, how we block a user from accessing the server services, okay. So let's begin. So I will go to my terminal, okay. Now I am on my terminal, so we will start from the basics of the user management. So first of all, we will learn how we can add a user, okay. So for it is quite simple to add a user. We have a command for that, that is user add, okay. After this you have to put the name of user. So here I am adding a user, that is Visu, okay, and just hit enter. Sorry, Visu, my user is Visu, and hit the enter. Now you will see that user Visu is created. If you want to check it, you have to go to a directory, that is etc and passwd, okay, that is passwd. And to show this file we have to give a command, that is cat, okay, cat etc passwd. Then you will see there are some other users that are the default users that created by the system itself. Now at the bottom you will see that Visu user is already created, RDSN is already created here. Now I made this user during installation, but now here I just created Visu, you can see, and its ID is 1001 and its home directory is home Visu, okay, you clearly see on your screen. Now let's move forward. Now we have another command to add user, that is add user. Previous one was user add and this one is add user. Both command works to create a user. So I am here adding a new user, that is Sunil, okay, enter. Now you will check again, just cat etc passwd. Then you will see that Sunil user is also there and its ID is 1002, okay, and its home directory is Sunil, home and Sunil. Every user has its home directory, okay. So that will be, its path is home Sunil, and for Visu is home Visu, and for RDSN is home RDSN, okay. And next, move forward. Next command that we have, if you want to provide protection, okay, you want to password protect the user, then we have what you will do, okay. For that we will give the command, that is here passwd, okay, passwd stands for password, and then we will give the name of user. Suppose I am giving password here to Visu, just hit enter. Now it is asking for the password. Now what you will type, you will type password as of your choice. So I am here giving 1 2 3 4 5, okay. Now again it will ask for the one password, then just retype the password, and now it will update it successfully, okay. And one more thing, there are two types of user, the one who can directly log in without password and another who need password to login, okay. If you want to create a user which doesn't need a password protection, okay, then you have to give another command, that is passwd -d, okay, and the name of user, another user was Sunil. Here you need to keep in mind that if you will directly log in after the creation of a user, then the user can't directly log in at the terminal, okay. So you must keep in mind that before logging in, okay, you have to give this command, okay. Which one? This one, passwd. If you want to log in any user without password, okay, then you must have to give this password command, okay. Now hit enter. Now we will see that the password is removed, okay. Now we will cross check by logging in another terminal, okay, that Sunil logs without a password or Visu logs in with password or without password. So let's check it. Go to the another terminal. So I am here on the second terminal. So let's check. My first user was Visu and hit enter. Now you can see it is asking for the password. Now I have given the password. Now you have to check it, who am I. By this command you can check. Here it is Visu, okay, you clearly see on your screen. Now let's log out, and now you will again log in from the another user, that is our Sunil, okay, whether it asks for the password or not. Let's check. So here you can see it isn't asked for the password. Now you can check through this command as well. Now you can see the Sunil is login here. So in this way you can check on other terminal that which user is it, and it is asking for password or not. So let's move forward, exit from here as well, and just go to the same terminal. So I'm on the same terminal and just move forward. Let me clear my screen. So here next we have a command that if you want to delete a user, okay, what you will do, we have a command that is user del and -r, okay, R for remove and the name of user. I want to remove the user name Sunil, okay, then I will give the name of user del -r and Sunil. Now we will again cross check it that it is removed or not, cat -etc and passwd. Here now you can see there are only two users, that is RD Sunny and another one is Visu. Sunil is removed from the system. Okay, in this way you can remove the user from your system. Okay, now clear it again. Now I will show you one more thing here. First I will create a user, then I will show the difference. Okay, user add Manish, hit enter. I will not provide it password, just I will directly login it from the terminal. Okay, now you can see the password has been removed, and check it here, this file. Here Manish user is created, okay, and along with two users, that is RD Sunny and Visu. Okay, now clear this screen. So here I am telling here that the user, that is RD Sunny and other user was Visu. Okay, both are password protected, but the third user, that is Manish, is don't have password. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have two files, that is etc pass wd, okay, and another is etc and shadow. Okay, now here we have two files at etc folder, that is pass wd and shadow. Okay, now both files are look same, but the configuration settings are different. These store different data in it. Okay, when you will go to this file pass wd, then it will define you about the user detail. Okay, all information like home directory and its user id and something more information about the user. But yeah, when you will go to the etc shadow, this shadow file, then you will see that it stores the data related to password of the user. Okay, user's password, so every information about the password it stores. So let's check the difference. Here you will just go to first shadow file. Okay, so here you will type cat etc and then shadow and just hit enter. Now you will see this is quite different from that file. Here you will see that Visu, in front of Visu there is an encrypted text. It means this file stores the password of user in the encrypted text. Okay, and next here you can see the Manish. Okay, Manish user is also a user that doesn't has the password. Okay, so here it doesn't has password, so there is no encrypted text. If a user is password protected, in front of that user the text looks encrypted, it means that is password protected. If this encrypted text doesn't have in front of any user, then it means the user doesn't have any password. And here are some information we will discuss in another video about this differentiation between both files. Okay, let's check in the pass wd file again. Okay, here you can see it is asking about the user id. It is telling about the user id and home directory and many more. Okay, just that is user friendly information. We can read this and manipulate this file, but if you want to manipulate this file you can't do that. It can be read by the only its system. Okay, that is our root. Okay, but if you want to make a change in this file, then you can easily make the changes. You can change this home directory. Okay, you can change its cell, and this is the user id. You can create a custom user id. Okay, so you can manipulate this file, but you can't manipulate the file that is shadow. Okay, so keep in mind. So let's move forward. This was all about the shadow and pass wd file. Next to this, if you want to lock a user from logging in, or you want to prevent accessing any user, okay, then you have to give a command, that is user mod. Okay, here we will use the user modification command, and then you have to type -l and the name of user. I am here preventing Visu. Okay, then we will give the name of user and just hit enter. Now we will check that it logs or not on the another terminal. So go to the another terminal and just type here Visu and the password that you have given here. Just type that password, and here now we will see that it is saying that login incorrect. It means it is denying the user to logging in the system. So in this way you can prevent any user to logging in your system. So let's come back to the same terminal and unlock this user. What you will have to type, you have to type just capital U and hit enter. Now let's check back. Okay, and type Visu and hit enter and the password that you had given, and now you will see that it is logging. If you want to check, you can see clearly on the screen before RD Sunny Visu at RD Sunny. Okay, RD Sunny I have given my system name. Okay, so here who am I? Through this command you can check, or you can directly watch the name before your system name. Okay, now here it is Visu, and you also can see that the last failed login. It means it denied. Okay, on this terminal. So just exit, log out from here and go to the same terminal. Okay, another way we have, that is to lock any user from the password. Okay, if we will encrypt the password of that user and user can't log in from the normal password. So again I am gonna to lock this Viso user. Okay, so we have that command, that is passwd. Okay, through this command we will locking this Viso user. We have to type passwd hyphen L and the name of user, that is our Viso, and hit enter. Now you can see locking password for user Viso. If you will cross check it that it logins or not, then again just go to Viso and hit enter and give the password. Okay, now you can see that it is login incorrect here. So same thing happening here with that we have done with user mode command, and here it is happening same with this passwd command. Now come back to the same terminal and unlock this user. What you have to type, just type here, instead of L you have to type U. Okay, and hit enter. Now unlocking password for user Viso is success. Now we will go to the same terminal and just type the name of Viso and hit enter and give the same password, and now you can see it is logging again. So in this way you can prevent, you can block any user from logging in your system. So let's clear the screen. Now it was a user. Okay, it was all about user. Now if you want to add a group, now how you will add a group? So for this we use the command, that is group add. Okay, for user we had user, and here we have group add. Okay, and just give the name of group. For example, I am creating here group 1. Okay, and hit enter. Now our group is created and its name is group 1. If you want to check the information of this group, then what you will type here. For this we have command, that is cat etc and group. Okay, group, and hit enter. Now you will see here it is group 1 is created, and it also shows the information about users. Okay, that is showing here RD Sunny and Visu and Manish. But one more thing is here, if you will add some user from the user will add in the group, then it will showing the which user is in the which group. So we will add one of this user in this group. So let's add any user from this in this group. Okay, so to add a user in the group we have a command, that is user mode. Okay, again we are using the user modification command. Here it is user mode hyphen G. Okay, hyphen uppercase G, and after this we will give the name of group. Okay, that is our group 1. Group 1, and which user you want to add. I am adding here Visu. Okay, Visu, and hit enter. Now we will check that it is added in the group or not. Just go to the same file, that is group etc group. Now hit enter. Now you will, here you can see that in front of group 1 you can see Viso is added in this group. Okay, so just clear the screen. If you want to delete this user, then what you will do? Okay, here we will use the g passwd command. Okay, g passwd hyphen d and the name of user. Okay, which user you want to delete? I want to delete Visu, and from which group? Okay, I want to delete from group 1. Group 1, and hit enter. Now you can see that removing user Visu from group 1. If you will cross check it, then you can see the user Visu is deleted from the group 1. It is not in front of group 1. So in this you can create many groups and you can add many users in the group. So guys, this was all about the user management. In this video we have just learned how to create single user, okay, and a single group. In my next video we will discuss how we can add users and groups in multiple. Okay, if you want to add bulk users and multiple user at the same time, then how you can add, or you want to delete multiple user at the same time, how you can delete those. So guys, if you like my video, please hit like option, and if you gain something valuable for you, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.